ticket that you can share with some special guests or your sponsors or a special group of potential ticket buyers or visitors. So as you can see here, I've set up three types of tickets. One is general access, the other one is my sponsor ticket, and the last one is the VIP ticket. Uh, there is something special about the My Sponsor ticket. First of all, it's a bit more expensive because probably the sponsor will pay more and they will get a better deal, maybe some additional perks, benefits, and add-ons. And if we click on options, we can see that under ticket type, instead of the usually checked public ticket, this is a private invitation. And I've added a code here, which is my sponsor. What this means is the fact that this ticket is not going to be visible to the general public. It's only going to be visible to those that have this special kind of code or a special kind of link. And I'm going to show you in a few seconds how that looks like and how you can use it to share with your private guests. Because we want our sponsors, in this specific case, to have a special package, I've also added an add-on. Which is the Amazing Sponsor Package. So our sponsors will get the Amazing Sponsor Package. All right, so once I hit save, it's already saved, but let's just say you've just set it up. You have to hit save. It's updated. How will this look like for the end consumer or the buyer? So we're going to navigate to the preview section, and under our Great Planner Conf, we can see that we only have two tickets. One is the General Access Early Bird, which has ended in terms of sales, and the VIP ticket. As you can see, the sponsor ticket is not visible, but I see this input in my embed registration form right on top of the tickets, so we can easily see it. And if I type in my sponsor and hit apply, you can see that we've unlocked the My Sponsor ticket, which is private, and it has the Amazing Sponsor package included. What we can also see is that we have a link here, which says share code link. Once I press it, the link has been copied to my clipboard, and I can share it with my guests, so they don't have to navigate, enter the My Sponsor code, and afterwards do all of those complicated things. Just share the link, and they will be able to see the private sponsor ticket. Thank you very much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for new tutorials on how to use Oveit and how to create amazing events. Thank you.